In this video lecture, we cover charging and discharging process of a capacitor. First of all, as we know that capacitor is a device that stores energy. Have you ever tried to reason out how to regulate the speed of a ceiling fan? How to tune the radio sets? How to stabilize voltage and power flow in electric power transmission system? The answer to all the above question is capacitor. So, capacitor is a device that can be used to regulate the speed of a ceiling fan, tuning the radio set, etc. A capacitor is a passive device that stores energy in its electric field and return energy to the circuit whenever required. A capacitor consists of two conducting plates separated by an insulating material or dielectrics. In order to better understand working of capacitor, we have an experimental setup. In this experimental setup, we can see how charging and discharging process will perform in the capacitor. When the capacitor is connected to a circuit with supply voltage source, two processes which are called discharging and charging of the capacitor will happen in the specific condition. Now let us first understand the charging process of a capacitor. When we connect the key K in position A, the capacitor is connected to the power supply and current flow through the circuit. Both the plates of the capacitor get the equal and opposite charges, that is plus Q and minus Q, and the potential difference Vc starts increasing while the capacitor is charging. Once the voltage at the terminal of the capacitor Vc is equal to the supply voltage, that is V is equal to Vc, the capacitor is fully charged and the current stops flowing through the circuit. This completes the charging phase. Now let's understand discharging process of a capacitor. In the next step, when we will replace the key K from position A to position B, the capacitor will start discharging. When key K connect to position B, valve will glow with high intensity. Intensity of the valve and voltage between the capacitor's plates drops down gradually to zero, which completes the discharging phase of the capacitor.